Hi, I'm Janvi Singh and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Today I'm going to show you how to have the perfect self-care day at home. So let's begin. First, let's get all the makeup and dirt off your face using a makeup removal wipe. If you are still feeling that everything has not come off, simply wash your face and then pat dry using a towel. Now that your pores have opened up, it's time to give them some nourishment. I'm doing that by applying a clay mask on my face. You can go for any face mask you like. I like the clay ones because they help in pulling out impurities and brighten the skin. Following this, I am adding a few drops of toner on a cotton pad and patting it on my skin. This helps to close your pores and cleanses all the impurities. Now that my skin is all clean, I am going to moisturize my face. Take a small amount of moisturizer and pat it all over your face. While massaging, make sure to use only circular or upward strokes. Next, we are going to give ourselves a nice face and neck massage. This is to promote blood circulation and improve my skin's health. Plus, it helps you relax and reduce stress. You can choose any moisturizer or serum or face oil to do this step with. Just apply little pressure and move all around your face and neck just like me. I am now massaging my neck in an upward motion and moving towards the collarbone to the chin. This gives you that healthy glowing skin and keeps signs of aging at bay. Next, I am massaging my face with a face roller with some extra attention to my cheekbones and jaw areas. This not only promotes blood circulation but also helps to reduce the puffiness. Now it's time to do a maintenance check with my brows. If I spot any stray hair, I pull it out and help give it more shape. Sanitizing your hands every few hours is a necessity now. However, that high alcoholic content is drying out your hands a lot. Show them some love with the easy at home manicure. Take a bowl of warm water and add your preferred soap into it. You can also add any essential oil for added benefits. Then grab a loofah and gently exfoliate your hands. Following that, it's time to file those nails. You can even paint your nails if you would like. Finally, it's time to exfoliate your legs. I start off by washing my legs clean first. Then I'm using a coffee scrub to exfoliate them by massaging in circular motion. This helps get rid of ingrown hair and tanning. Now it's time to relax but to take it up a level. I am placing this cucumber shaped eye mask on my face. This helps in cooling, hydration and also help reduces dark circles. Take them off after 10 to 15 minutes, wear a sleep mask and get your beauty sleep. Because what better way to self-care than to just sleep, right? Thanks for watching.